Alright, in this video I was finally able to remove the majority of the plastic here on the back, and as you can see I was right. The batteries are there, and then you have more of the copper coil here and another one here for the charger. Now I'm gonna do a quick experiment, which is I'm gonna try to run this, and I don't recommend anybody do this, and that's why I have gloves on, because these batteries could get really hot and you could get either burned or possibly get a shock since it's not being isolated the way it should be. Now I'm trying to figure out, because I'm not sure now that I've ripped the whole thing apart, but I believe that these things make contact. Oh, there we go. They make contact on here somehow. And then when you press the button, the thing should start. I guess not. Now this thing is broken, and the reason it's broken is not because the battery was broken itself, but the button was giving me problems. All right, well, I guess it only works if the other part that's been removed is still on there. So that's a good safety feature. It won't start without that, which is good. But anyway, the problem that I had with this, and the reason why it was broken was because whenever I pressed the button, when it had this part on top of it, it would sometimes run and sometimes it wouldn't. And I tried, sometimes you'd have to push in with your fingernail. And I was hoping to open this up and fix it myself, but as you can see, it's not one of those serviceable machines. So once it's broken, my suggestion is just throw it out. If you have any problems with it and it's still under warranty, call the company and ask them to fix it, because it's just not something that you could do at home. Anyway, hope this helps you guys. I hope you find this video interesting. And if you do, I will see you in the next one.